وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. By the sun and its brightness, and the moon as it follows it, and the day as it reveals it, and the night as it conceals it, and the sky, and he who built it, and the earth, and he who spread it, and the soul, and he who formed it, and inspired it to its immoralities and its righteousness. Successful is he who purifies it, and failing is he who corrupts it. Thamud denied in its rebelliousness, when it followed its most wretched. The messenger of Allah said to them, Allah's female camel, so let her drink. But they denied him, then hamstrung her. So their Lord crushed them for their sin, and he leveled it. He does not fear its consequences.